Hello people, good morning. This is Playa Las Perlas. How it looks today. This is Cancún Light TV, welcome. There are so many young people cleaning the beach because the sargasso has been arrived some days before and now it's clean, we can see it. This is the first beach coming from downtown. It's about 2 or 3 miles from downtown. So welcome back again to this video. It's Cancún Light TV. Subscribe us. Okay, this is the second beach that we're gonna be. This is called Lobster Beach, Playa Langosta. And we see a little bit sargasso over here, but the people is working now. Big tons of sargasso, a lot of kilos of sargasso. But now the authorities are working here to clean the beach. Okay, we'll keep on shooting this video in this second beach that we've been visiting here in Cancun. As you can see, there's a little bit sargasso. It's a great day to get beach today, and we're gonna walk through this side of the beach, of the coast, to get the next point, the next beach. Turtle Beach, Playa Tortugas, and we're gonna move over there. That's the way. Isla Mujeres is there. We are in a spot between Playa Langosta, Lobster Beach, and the next beach, which are Playa Tortugas, Turtle Beach. We're gonna move over there. This is the side of this place. This is spot. It's between the beach, Lobster Beach, and Turtle Beach.